Hello. In this video, you will learn about project management tools. The term project refers to series of activities. It is expected that a project is completed in due time. There are some project management techniques and tools. These help to monitor, control, and check the progress of a project. See, these are some of the important tools: Gantt chart, project evaluation and review technique, critical path method. Firstly, I shall explain the Gantt chart. These are charts where on one axis activities are arranged and on the other time taken for completing these activities is shown. You can calculate total time taken by the activities. The Gantt chart is as shown here. See the activities. Note the time taken by the activities. Major advantage of these charts is simple representation of project. The major disadvantage is that it fails to explain sequence of activities. Project evaluation and review technique and critical path method are traditional project management tools. In these techniques, a network of activities is shown in a form of diagram. The diagram gives information about activities in a project, time taken by activities, and sequence in which they follow. This is how a network diagram will look. In a diagram, circle indicates an event, arrows indicate the activity. Arrows connect circle. Time taken by activity is indicated on the arrow. Node indicates finish of activity or beginning of the activity. The diagram is called network diagram. The arrow direction will show progress of activities. Critical path method. Critical path method shows longest duration for completing the project. It helps in deciding which tasks are critical, and thus it is seen as an important tool in optimizing the time and available resources. I found these sites useful for preparing this video. Thanks for watching.